Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to enable quick text in Salesforce. So let's begin and move to our Salesforce account. This is my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition, and here we are discussing how to enable quick text in Salesforce Lightning. Note one thing, by default quick text is enabled in the Salesforce Lightning, but if you are not able to see the quick text feature in Salesforce Lightning, you need to enable it. So for enabling it, you have to first click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon, you can see setup option is present. Click on this setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. And under this setup home page, on the left side, there is a quick find box present. And here we enter the quick text in the search box, and our quick text settings is present under the user interface. Click on it and it will redirect us to the quick text setting page, which is used to save the user time and increase the consistency with predefined quick text messages such as greetings and answer to common questions. Quick text can be added to notes, chats and more. This setting controls quick text in Lightning experience only. Now ensure that enable quick text is set to on, or by default it is already on. If it is off from your side, you can on it. And additional to this, we can adjust the other quick text settings, like if you want to share and organize the quick text in the folders, or hide quick text button and pop up. You can also do this setting by click this checkbox, and by doing these things you have to click on save button that is present on the bottom of the page. So I am not going to change anything, so all these settings are already saved on my side. So once you enable this quick text settings, you can access it on various tools such as email, chatter, logo poll, cases, etc. So here I am not going to enable because our enable quick text checkbox is already on. So with this we have learned how to enable quick text in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.